Hey guys, I have an unboxing today. It's from Amazon, obviously. This one is the Amazon Echo Bluetooth speaker. While I'm trying to find a thing to open this with, this thing has a bunch of stuff you can do with it. You can play music like iHeartRadio and Spotify, Pandora, all kinds of stuff. And there's no Bluetooth that is required. It can all run off, of internet. I had this quite, I didn't have this quite stabilized. There we go. So it's a little wobbly. So I'm gonna take this off. Open it like that. There we go. Take out this. And here it is. The Amazon Echo. We'll take this here. Plastic off. This box rolling. Wow. All kinds of stuff on here. So, the services in this Amazon Echo include Pandora, iHeartRadio, AccuWeather, Wemo, Hue, NPR, Amazon Music, TuneIn, and more. Okay, so take sticker off. Multiple stickers, in fact. There we go. Kind of slides right off. Oh, this is a very sweet looking box, in fact. Wow. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Wow. This thing's huge. That's the speaker itself. The power block. And then some manuals and stuff that's also here in this box. So let's plug this sucker in. Now I'm plugging this in at a surge protector under my desk, so you really won't be able to see where I plug it in or anything, which really that's not needed. So yeah. Taking plastic off all of that. Still don't have my trash. Okay. Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to fish it up to the back of my desk. And there we go. I'm going to pull that up a little bit. Take this plastic off the speaker. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Wow. Never knew how big this thing is going to be. This thing's big. Ah, it's got a nice new smell to it. Wow, this is very, very nice. Okay. So, here we go. Alrighty. All plugged in. Okay, so the rest of the setup will have to be on my iPad. So I really won't be able to videotape any more of this because the rest of the setup's on my iPad, which is what I'm filming on. So I'll be showing you somehow. I'll try and show you somehow the setup, and then I'll upload it later. Thank you.